Why do missing semicolons break your code? Have you ever stared at your code, scratching your head, wondering why it just won't run? One common culprit could be missing semicolons. Let's take a closer look at how these little punctuation marks can cause big problems. Missing semicolons break your code because they lead to syntax errors. These errors stop the programming language's compiler or interpreter from understanding your code correctly. In many languages like JavaScript, Java, and C++, semicolons act as explicit statement terminators. They tell the computer where one instruction ends and another begins. When a semicolon is missing, the parser gets confused. It might think that multiple statements are part of a single one or expect more input. This confusion results in syntax errors like missing semicolon before statement or expected semicolon. These errors prevent your code from running until you fix them. Think of semicolons as the periods in a sentence. They signal the end of a complete thought. Without them, your code can become ambiguous. For instance, in JavaScript, if you forget a semicolon, the interpreter may misinterpret the structure of your code. This can lead to unexpected behavior or even cause your code to fail completely. JavaScript does have a feature called Automatic Semicolon Insertion, which tries to fix missing semicolons. However, this feature is not perfect. It can fail in certain situations, leading to subtle bugs that are hard to track down. From a debugging standpoint, missing semicolons are a frequent source of syntax errors. They can be tricky to spot, especially in larger codebases. Fortunately, modern code editors and integrated development environments often highlight syntax errors. They may even offer automatic fixes for missing semicolons, making it easier for developers to identify and resolve these issues. Using tools and plugins can help enforce consistent semicolon usage in your code. This practice reduces the chances of running into syntax errors related to statement termination. By ensuring that every statement ends with a semicolon, you create clear and unambiguous code. This clarity helps compilers and interpreters process your code reliably. In practice, mastering the identification and correction of missing semicolons is essential for effective software debugging. It can save you time and frustration by preventing syntax errors that halt code execution. So, the next time you encounter a syntax error, take a moment to check for those missing semicolons. They might just be the reason your code isn't running as expected.